Think your dog is smiling to show happiness? Think again. There's a reason behind that grin, and it might not be what you expect. Dogs may look like they're smiling, but it's not always a sign of happiness. That toothy grin could mean something entirely different. Sometimes dogs smile to diffuse tension or show submission. It's their way of saying, "I'm no threat." In more intense situations, a smile could be a warning. Dogs may show teeth to signal fear or discomfort, so always watch their body language. So next time your dog smiles, look closer. Are they happy, submissive, or sending a warning? Tell us what you think in the comments.